Hello guys and welcome to ukeguide. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to play the very famous song O Sanam on ukulele. So, take out your uke. Now tune your ukuleles in standard tuning. And let's start learning the song. Now to play this song, you need 4 chords, and these chords are chord D, chord G, chord A and chord E. Now if you already know these chords, then you can skip to the next part of this lesson, else first learn how to play these chords. To play chord D, you need to place your index finger on 2nd fret 4th string, your middle finger on 2nd fret 3rd string and your ring finger on 2nd fret 2nd string, and chord D will sound like this. To play chord G, you need to place your index finger on 2nd fret 3rd string, your middle finger on 2nd fret 1st string and your ring finger on 3rd fret 2nd string, and chord G will sound like this. To play chord A, you need to place your index finger on 1st fret 3rd string and your middle finger on 2nd fret 4th string, and chord A will sound like this. To play chord E, you need to place your index finger on 2nd fret 1st string and then you need to bar the other 3 string with your ring finger on 4th fret, and chord E will sound like this. So guys, जो स्ट्रिंग पैटर्न हम इस सॉन्ग में यूज करने वाले हैं वो है डाउन अप अप डाउन अप अप डाउन अप डाउन अप डाउन up up down up up down up down up down up up down up up down up down up down up up down up up down up down. So guys, if the strumming pattern which I just taught you is little bit difficult for you, then you can use an alternate strumming pattern as well. It is little bit easy, but it will look nice on the song. So the strumming pattern is down up down up down down up down up down. Now you will be using this strumming pattern all across the humming part, so whenever you see you have to use this strumming pattern. Now when we move to verse and the chorus part, the strumming pattern breaks and we have to play strumming in distorted manner. So let me explain you how we get that. So for example, you are holding chord D and G. So what you do, you play chord D with this strumming pattern, down, up, and then you go to chord G and you play down, up, down. So when you play both chords together, it will sound like down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. So let's start playing the song. शाम सवेरे तेरी यादें आती हैं, आके दिल को मेरे यूं तड़पाती है। ओ सनम मोहब्बत की कसम, मिलके बिछड़ना तो दस्तूर गया, यादों में तेरी मजबूर हो गया। ओ सनम तेरी यादों की कसम। समझे जमाना के ये दिल है खिलौना, जाने क्या है ये तो दिल का लगाना। नजरों से अब तो ना हमको गिराना, मर भी गए तो फिर भूल न जाना। So guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I'm sure you must have liked it. Please subscribe to ukeguide and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can keep on getting updated about the upcoming lessons. So until next time, do take care and bye bye.